Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 31st, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I am definitely still very bearish. I still think this is either a regular flat, which would probably target this area in here, which would be right around the lows of wave A, or it's possibly an expanding flat, which could stretch all the way out to the 161, 178 area. So definitely still very, very bearish overall on the the daily time frame. On the shorter time frame, it definitely does look like it possibly could drift up a little bit. I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here. That's the last impulsive move. This big blue candle is probably like a wave A. I bet this right here is a three-way pullback like a wave B, and it looks like it potentially could go up. Maybe take out the high of wave A for like a possible wave C. Now, this would be really ideal if this was how it played out because that should give us a nice opportunity to go short, maybe at like the 50 or the 60% Fibonacci retracement for the continuation of the downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.